What's going on YouTube? CoinCapital here, back with another video, and today in particular I'm going to be talking about Palantir Technologies Inc. with the ticker PLTR. And the reason why I'm talking about this is because I think right now and for long-term future I haven't really gone over this stock, and I think it's a great company, but I'm going to be talking about why it's a great play long-term and why they have a current catalyst now for the short term. And why you might see a lot of movement in the price. If you don't know Palantir Technologies, they build and deploy software platforms for the intelligence community. This is also for the United States government to assist in counterterrorism investigations and operations. And they also have what they call Palantir Gotham, a software platform for government operatives in defense and intelligence sectors. This actually enables them to identify patterns hidden deep within data sets ranging from signals intelligence, data analytics, source and reports, and confidential informants. And they can also facilitate the handoff between analytics and analysis for operational users. They also help real-world responses and use like calculative math and other platforms for data analytics. They also have a service called Palantir Foundry, a platform that transforms the way organizations operate by creating a central operating system for their data, and this allows users to use and integrate analyzed data for their need and their place in their certain little niche or big wide array of data that they need to be sorted through, gone through. And they were founded in 2003. They're currently headquartered in Denver, Colorado. This stock trades on the NASDAQ, but I think right now they have a great catalyst, and this has to do with April 14th. If you don't know, on April 14th, Palantir announces their DoubleClick demo event, and this will be their first series of demo events, and it will start on April 14th at 11 a.m. They have customers across 40 industries worldwide, and DoubleClick is their series of software for demo events that showcase how the company's platforms are used across these industries and customers. So really the ins and outs of how they work. A lot of people don't either know, or I don't even know exactly how the data processing goes about. I'm not big into that, but these demos will be great to know more about the company, and we can see a catalyst here because a lot of people might get involved with this based upon good news, good hearings. This will be great, and it will feature their first in-depth demonstrations of Palantir Foundry for sciences and industrials. And these customers in this section include Merrick, NIH, NHS, 3M, BP, PN&G, Lanix, and Doosan. So some pretty big companies there, and they will show how customers can use the archetypes and Palantir's solution to deploy end-to-end cases in a matter of clicks on top of Foundry. So, life sciences and industrials, this will greatly expand the company if it all goes well. We're going to get more clientele, and I just think Palantir for the future is a great long-term play. I think, when looking at software, they really could dominate the entire, software sector. I just think they're just ahead of the curve in other competition. A lot of different software companies have in-house, but Palantir provides their own little niche of added security and benefits. So I think that's why Palantir is good in that retrospect. But they're going to include statements within the meetings of Section 27A and the Securities Act of 1933 as an amendment of 21E for the Securities Exchange Act of 1934 as amended. So these are going to deal with lawmaking capabilities, some sections within laws about the actual Palantir and how they operate. So there's going to be some forward-looking statements here with them. But other than that, I definitely look into this company. I'd look into their stock. They're trading at around $24. Their outlook, some people put it bearish, but long term I think it's very bullish. This catalyst, I'd put short at pretty bullish. They went from within IPO from about $9 a share. They shot up recently. I think this has to do with Reddit. A few other catalysts here, but they went all the way up to about 35 a share. Then we had the tech sell-off, so it was quite a dip down to 24, and that's where we are today. But honestly, I think I see no problem with this stock doing well, with the company itself doing well. They have high insane volumes here with an average volume of 84 million shares. So there's a lot of trading going on. Yahoo puts it at overvalued. A few other analysts consider it overvalued, but great for long term. But with a market cap of $44 billion, they're definitely nothing to snare at. And this is a very legitimate company with some pretty unique data services. But other than that, I think it's a great stock to look into. So this basically is a video just talking about Palantir and the catalyst coming up in April, as well as their technologies in-house itself. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, follow, comment, and subscribe. Check out my TikTok, coincapitalyt, and my Instagram, coincapitalyt. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.